talk about the inevitable comparisons of when you were playing and the names of Greenidge and Haynes, for example, on one stand, two Bajans, two Barbadians of tremendous quality. You've got Kirk Edwards and Craig Braffett, very different in their styles. Back towards him and taken this time. Hit very, very hard. David Warner gets his first test wicket to break a partnership that the Australians didn't seem to want to break.
Well, the Australians have put down some catches, both easy and difficult. Dave Warner almost got a wicket with his first ball in Test cricket last year. Had a catch dropped in the outfield, first ball. But this has been a good spell. And Kirk Edwards middled that. Unfortunately, middled it straight back in the vicinity of David Warner. It took a super catch. That was travelling. Australia needed some luck. They needed some skill. They got it. And it's the end of an excellent innings from Kirk Edwards. He's gone for 61. West Indies lose their second wicket with 142 on the board. The odds of David Warner being the breakthrough man for the Australians would be fairly long. It's maybe not his best delivery, but it is his best catch. Low, hard to his right, down around the shins. Remarkable caught and bowl, off balance. Reminds me of the blonde leg spinner Australia used to have. This is really going. Let's have a look at this in real time. Good balance in the follow through. Stayed with it. 0.4 of a second is not a lot of time.
Yes. Whoa.
Getting the wicket in that over, 143 for 2.